Class 6th Standard, Subject Botany, Topic Unit 5, Plants in Daily Life. Now I give the revision for annual exam. Are you ready? Dear students, first we are going to see the pattern. First Roman, choose the correct answer. Second Roman, fill-ups. Third Roman, match the following. Fourth Roman, analogy. Fifth Roman, question answer. And last Roman is detail. Are you ready to see the pattern one by one? First Roman, choose the correct answer. Question number 1. One of the following birds is an example of plant pollinator. Plant pollinator. See the answer. First one is duck. Second one is parrot. Third one hummingbird. And fourth one is dove. Yes, the correct answer is hummingbird. Second one, natural mosquito repellent is dash. Natural mosquito repellent is dash. Answer is first one nutmeg, bamboo, ginger, neem. 4 answer is given. So nutmeg is wrong answer, bamboo is not, ginger is not. So the absolute answer is neem. Neem is a medicinal value and antibiotic, and that neem destroy mosquitoes. So correct answer is neem. Next, third one, which of the following is not a root? So A answer potato, B answer carrot, C answer radish, and D answer turnip. So potato is the correct answer, because potato is the part of the stem. But other answers, carrot, radish and turnip is the root part. Okay. Next, question number 4. Which of the following medicinal plants has anti-cancer properties? Option A, amla, B, tulasi, and C option turmeric, and D option aloe vera. So answer is amla. Amla means nellikai. Amla has anti-cancer properties. So amla is the correct answer. See next, question number 5. Which is the national tree of India? It's a very simple answer. Neem tree, jack tree, banyan tree, mango tree. So the answer is banyan tree. Second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one, in every year October dash is celebrated as World Food Day. So the answer is October 16th is celebrated as World Food Day. Second one, dash is an example of textile fiber. Cotton is a textile fiber. So answer is cotton. Second one answer cotton. Third one, I am the state tree of Tamil Nadu. Who am I? Yes, the answer is palm tree. Fourth one, the juice of the leaves of dash plant relieves cough and bronchitis. Yes, the answer is tulasi. Tulasi plants relieve cough and bronchitis. Next, fifth one, the edible seeds of leguminous plants are called pulses. Yes, leguminous plants are otherwise called pulses. Okay. Next Roman, true or false? First question, plants grown for decorative purposes are called as softwood. Answer is false. Why the answer is false? Because plants grown for decorative purposes are called ornamental plants. Question number 2, silkworm eats mulberry leaves. Yes, the answer is true. Next, third one, cauliflower is used for ornamental purpose. Yes, the answer is false. Why the answer is false? Because cauliflower is used for edible purpose. So the correct answer is jasmine is used for ornamental purpose. Question number 4. Cotton cloth is not suitable for summer season. Answer is false. Because cotton cloth is suitable for summer season. Next, fifth one. Sugarcane is used as biofuel. Answer is true. Because plants and animal waste used as biofuel. Okay. Fourth Roman, match the following. Here, question with answer is not giving order wise. Now, I read the question with answer one by one. First one, fiber yielding plant. Answer is hemp. Hardwood. Hardwood example teak. Hardwood answer is teak wood. Neem. Neem. Chloramine. Fourth one, clove. Spicy food. Spice. Clove answer is spice. Fifth one, millet. Cereals. Fifth Roman analogy. Question number 1. Mango fruit. Mango is a fruit variety. Maize is a cereal variety. So answer is cereals. Second one, coconut fiber. Rose ornamental plant. So exact answer, coconut na fiber, rose ornamental. Question number 3, bees pollinate insect. Bees is the insect pollinator. Earthworm, answer is natural manure. Because earthworms changes the bio waste into manure. So answer is natural manure. Earthworms, correct answer is natural manure. Sixth Roman, give very short answer. Question number 1, what is food? Any nutritious substance that people or animals eat or drink or that plants absorb in order to maintain life and growth is called food. Here, nutritious means carbohydrates, fat, vitamin, these are substances. So, nutritious substance that people or animals eat or drink or that plants absorb in see next order question number 2, what are the medicinal plants and growth plants that food have ingredients which can be used in drug preparation are known as medicinal plants. Example, tulasi, neem, etc. Okay, you know this question is very easy. Drug preparation, that means medicinal value of plants. Next question number 3, how hardwoods differ from softwoods? Answer, hardwood present in angiosperms. Angiosperm means flowering plants. It is used to prepare furniture, decks, flooring and wooden construction. Example, teak, jackfruit. Next, softwoods present in gymnosperm. Gymnosperm means non-flowering plant. It is used to produce plywood, wooden boxes, medium density fiber board and paper making. Example, kadampu and pine tree. So children, this question is very easy. We identify the difference between hardwood and softwood. Hardwood is a angiosperm plant. Angiosperm means flowering. Gymnosperm means non-flowering. This question is very important question. This question will come in exam. So prepare well. Okay. Fourth one, what is spice? Spices are the aromatic part of tropical plant traditionally used to flavor food. Bark, roots, leaves, flowers or stems of certain plants primarily used for flavoring, coloring or preserving food. Here some spicy items are given. Roots, vetiver, leaves, curry leaves, seeds, fenugreek. Fenugreek means vendayam. Flower bud, clove. Clove means grambu. Yes, okay. So this is not a big question, yeah. This is 2-mark question. So you have to write in exam very short. Now I give shortcut method. Ready? What is a spice? Spices are the aromatic part of tropical plant, traditionally used to flavor food. Example, vetiver, curry leaves and etc. Okay, this is enough. Question number 5. Name any 3 medicinal plants which are available in your area. So very easy answer. Neem tree, tulasi, amla tree, pirandai, country borage. So you have to write any answer from your area. Okay. In annual exam, I will give general knowledge question. General knowledge means name any 5 ornamental plants which are available in your area. So how you write the answer? Ornamental plants. So very easy. Rose, jasmine, next tulips, chrysanthemum, dahlia and marigold. Okay. Question number 6. What are the uses of timber? A timber is used in the construction of buildings, making of furniture. Point number 2. It is used in making fiber board and paper making. Very simple question. This is very important question. So you have to read thoroughly. Okay. Next Roman, detail. Write short notes on timber yielding plants. Now, point number 1. The wood needed for the construction of buildings and making of furniture are obtained from certain plants. Very easy. Point number 1. The wood needed for the construction of buildings and making of furniture are obtained from certain plants. Next point number 2. We use wood for these purposes due to their features like durability, stylish finishing and resistance to temperature changes. Okay children? All commercial timbers are classified into 2 classes. First one is hardwoods and second one is softwoods. Next, hardwoods. Hardwoods are angiosperms or otherwise called flowering plants. High quality furniture, decks, flooring and wooden constructions are being made only using hardwood. Example, teak and jackfruit. Next, softwoods. Softwoods come from gymnosperm. Gymnosperm means non-flowering plants. Certain angiosperms also yield softwood. Actually, softwoods have a wide range of applications such as making plywood, wooden boxes, medium density fiber board and paper making. Example, kadampu and pine tree. Next, second question. Comment on the importance of plant-animal interaction. Point number 1. Animals and birds play an important role in spreading seeds of various plants. Next, point number 2. Plants and algae living in coral reefs are the food for variety of fishes. Next, point number 3. Animals depend on plants and animals for their food and shelter. Example, silkworms feed on mulberry leaves and live off mulberry plants. Fourth point, bees are the best pollinator. They also give us honey. Next point number 5. Animals, pests and birds are essential for cross-pollination of plants. Okay children? Dear students, kindly read all the patterns for annual exam. Okay children, thank you.